Hey guys, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today you join me taking a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500s. More importantly, this one has the Rocky Ridge K2 package, which features a 5-inch lift kit and many awesome upgrades all around. This particular truck is an LTZ trim level equipped with a Z71 package and is finished off in North Sky Blue. If we go ahead and start up with the front end here, along the hood you'll see the satin black graphic up on top, giving it some nice contrast. We also of course have the Rocky Ridge logo up on the windshield. And then moving to the side, we have a set of gloss black 20-inch fuel wheels, all wrapped in a massive 37 by 12.5-inch wide tire. Has an amazing stance with this lift kit. You can see the Rocky Ridge shocks up front and all of these suspension components. As you make our way to the side, we have the Rocky Ridge logo with the K2, really cool looking emblem, body colored on the side mirrors as well. And then one of my favorite features, as you can tell, this is a large truck. I'm 5'11" and we got some size to this. We do have a set of amp power running boards. Just opening the door handle, they automatically come out, makes it a lot easier getting in and out of the truck. Great feature for a lifted truck like this. And then being the Silverado, we have the side step back here. You can see the rear wheel and then all these suspension components. And then moving to the rear end of the truck, being an LTZ, this has a lot of the luxury features all around. Parking sensors in the back, of course your standard backup camera, and then even just pressing the button, the tailgate automatically opens up. Now being the LTZ trim level, of course we have all these standard features in the interior like heated and ventilated seats, the power sunroof up top, and navigation. One thing really cool with this Rocky Ridge package, if you open up the center console, we have a lockable gun safe, all finished off in high strength metal. We can open this up, you can securely and safely fit anything you need in there. Great feature for a truck like this. And then a nice little touch is the Rocky Ridge logo embroidered up into headrest, really just adding a nice touch. You're also going to notice we have 5 auxiliary switches over on this left side for anything that you're going to want to add to the truck, like LEDs or other accessories. This is a full crew cab Silverado, so we have the full 4-door configuration, plenty of rear seat space for anybody in the back. One thing I love with the Silverados, we have hidden storage space in these backrests as well, and the rear seats are even heated. So driving now in the 2020 Duramax, the thing I love the most about it with this Rocky Ridge package is this drives like a factory truck. You wouldn't expect a lifted truck to drive just like factory. It's very smooth, tracking very nice and straight. Even going around a turn, there's no body roll or anything vague in the steering or anything like that. That's why we're going with these trucks from Rocky Ridge. They come from their factory just like this, and they're put together exactly the way you would expect. I also really like how we have a speedometer recalibration that's already done, so with these oversized tires you don't have to worry about what speed you're going. Everything is put together as if it came from Chevrolet themselves. So I really like the fit and finish and the quality that you're getting with this kit. And then just driving it, the overall road presence is one of the best. I love the look of the truck already. The 5-inch lift, perfect ride height. And then when you are in it, you have such a good view. You can see over your entire truck, even stock trucks that passed you, they look like little cars to this. So you are really high up and you just feel like the king of the world driving in this. And then being the LTZ, this is a great trim level to have this package on. We have the premium interior, everything's covered in leather. We have stitching everywhere. Armrests are really comfortable and it's just a really nice place to be. We have the navigation, all of these safety features and more technology all throughout this vehicle. So I like how it's a premium, upscale, luxurious vehicle, but then it's got the Rocky Ridge package, so it's super tough, insane looking, and then at the end of the day, it still drives like a factory truck is gonna drive. So there's a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDs equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. If you have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, you can contact us with all of our information down in the description below.